This is Susie. Today we're cooking bacon in the oven. This is the best way to cook bacon. It's mess-free, it's fast. Don't have to really worry about it at all. You don't have to turn it. You don't have to make a mess on the stove. I just use my trusty sheet cake pan, that wide, long sheet cake pan. Put your parchment paper over it. Lay out your bacon, and we're going to cook this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. So let's get started. I've laid out 1 pound of bacon on top of the parchment paper, on top of that nice sheet cake pan. So it's a little crowded. There's some crowding going on over here. They don't care. They like to be close. There's no pandemic going on for them. They don't have to wear a face mask. They can snuggle up really close to each other. And the nice thing is that this will not splatter too much in your oven. I think it's really awesome how this works. And then I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the end. Oh, my oven just got ready, so let's get it in. Okay, it's going in. See you later, guys. All right, we're at 400 degrees, 25 minutes, or let's set it for 20 and I'm gonna take a look. It's gonna smell wonderful in the house. Come on over for bacon and eggs. Why not? Waffles and pancakes too. See you soon. The bacon just came out of the oven, 20 minutes. Look at that. It is exactly how I want it to be. A little bit crispy on the ends, a little softer in the middle. And I'm gonna take my tongs and put all of the bacon over here. I have a laid out paper towel on a paper plate, but you notice I have more paper towel over here because I'm going to wrap all that bacon up and absorb all the grease. So let's just take this. I just kind of grab it all, roll it up. Why not? They're all kind of sticking together. Remember, they're not having anything to do with social distancing. They love being together. And let's just strip some of that excess stuff off. I'm bringing it to the paper towel, right in the middle of that plate. Okay, guys, hang out there a minute. Now, I'm overlapping that extra piece of paper towel, and then I'm gonna roll it. And I usually use 2 hands, but I roll it and pinch it together and let it set for a minute while I'm finishing my meal. Then I lay it out on a plate or a platter and serve it. Sometimes I'll hit it. Bad boys. All right, that bacon is amazing. That's how I did it in the oven. Now, all of this extra grease, when this cools down a bit, a lot of times I save this into a container, a jar, some sort of container that I can put into my refrigerator, and I'll use the bacon grease to make some sort of gravy or a keto recipe. So if you don't put this down the drain, oh my goodness, do not pour this down the drain. Cool it down a little bit so you can handle it, and then put it into some sort of container that you can dispose of or save it in your fridge. That's my wisdom. Here's Susie's bacon. Woohoo! Come on over. See you later.